The YouTube app has been updated to include new gestures and buttons, making it easier and more convenient to control while watching videos. In this video, I'll be showing you the new YouTube app gestures and how to use them. Now let's get started. To find the new YouTube controls, open the mobile app and start playing a video you'd like to watch. You'll notice a few new overlay shortcuts if you tap the video playback window. You can use the switch at the top to toggle autoplay on and off. Tap the CC button to toggle captions on and off. If you tap the timestamp in the bottom left corner, you can switch between displaying time elapsed or time remaining. If you swipe upwards on the video window while playing, you can quickly switch to full screen mode. Swiping downwards while in full screen mode will bring you back to regular view. The full screen button is still in the bottom right corner, but this swiping feature is really convenient. Another new feature is the chapters menu. For videos that have specified chapters or segments, you can tap the name of the current chapter to bring up a menu that outlines all the chapters in the video, making it easy for you to find exactly the segment you want to watch. That does it for our overview of the new YouTube app controls. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.